Can I send a check on Acorns? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I send a check on Acorns? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. What is Acorns? Before we get into the answer, let's take a quick look at what Acorns is. Acorns is a mobile app that helps you save and invest your money. It's a great way to start investing, even if you don't have a lot of money to spare. How does Acorns work? Acorns works by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. For example, if you spend $10.50 at the grocery store, Acorns will round it up to $11 and invest the extra 50 cents. You can also set up automatic deposits to your Acorns account. This is a great way to save money for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house or a new car. Can I send a check on Acorns? Now, let's get to the answer to the question, can I send a check on Acorns? The answer is no, you cannot send a check on Acorns. Acorns does not accept checks as a form of payment. This is because Acorns is a mobile app, and it does not have the ability to process checks. How can I deposit money into my Acorns account? There are a few different ways to deposit money into your Acorns account. Bank transfer, you can transfer money from your bank account to your Acorns account. Direct deposit, you can set up direct deposit from your employer to your Acorns account. Link debit card, you can link your debit card to your Acorns account and make deposits that way. Acorns Visa Rewards Card, you can use the Acorns Visa Rewards Card to make purchases and earn rewards that are deposited directly into your Acorns account. What are the benefits of using Acorns? There are a number of benefits to using Acorns. It's easy to set up and use. It's a great way to start investing, even if you don't have a lot of money to spare. It helps you save money automatically. It offers a variety of investment options. What are the drawbacks of using Acorns? There are also a few drawbacks to using Acorns. It's not free to use. There are monthly fees associated with using Acorns. It's not as flexible as other investment platforms. For example, you can't choose your own stocks or funds with Acorns. It's not suitable for everyone. Acorns is a good option for people who are just starting out with investing and who want a simple and easy-to-use platform. However, it may not be the best option for more experienced investors who want more control over their investments. Conclusion. In conclusion, Acorns is a great way to start investing, but you cannot send a check on it. There are a number of other ways to deposit money into your Acorns account, such as bank transfer, direct deposit, linked debit card, and the Acorns Visa Rewards Card. If you're looking for a simple and easy-to-use way to start investing, Acorns is a great option. However, if you're a more experienced investor who wants more control over your investments, you may want to consider another platform. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Additional tips. If you're new to investing, I recommend doing some research on different investment strategies before you start investing. There are a number of great resources available online and in libraries that can help you learn more about investing. It's important to be patient when investing. Don't expect to see results overnight. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.